India, its size, location, and the landmass area of the world, including the political map. We will go through the various states and capital. Welcome back. I am Piyush Yadav and you are on Bionic It's Piyush, and we are going to learn about India, size and location. This is the globe, and when you look on the globe, you see that there are seven continents. These continents are North America, South America, Africa, Europe, Asia, Australia, Antarctica. This is Pacific Ocean, Indian Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, and look and find the country, our motherland, our nation, India. India is situated in the Asia. Okay, now looking to the world map, you see that this is our nation, India, and these are the various other continent. India is a vast country situated in the northern hemisphere. Northern hemisphere. Look, this is the world map. This is the globe. This is 0 degree, and this is the equator. The upper part is northern hemisphere, and the lower part is known as southern hemisphere. उत्तरी गोलार्ध और दक्षिणी गोलार्ध. इंडिया जो है उत्तरी गोलार्ध में स्थित है. इट इज सिचुएटेड इन द नॉर्दर्न हेमिस्फीयर. इट इज द वास्ट कंट्री एंड लाइज इन द नॉर्दर्न हेमिस्फीयर. द एक्सटेंट्स आर latitudes, longitudes, and Tropic of Cancer 23 degree and 30 north, that divide country into two equal parts. Tropic of Cancer. This is the Tropic of Cancer which divides the country in two equal parts. Okay. Look, this is the our earth. This is equator. This is 0 degree, 23 and a half north, 66 and a half north, 23 and a half south, and 66 and a half south. This is South Pole. This is North Pole. India is in the northern hemisphere. This upper part is northern hemisphere. Okay. We have mainland along with the islands. India's land mass is 3.2 million square kilometer, and it's contained 2.4 of the total area of the world. Land boundary is 15200, and mainland is 7.2516. It's the coastal lines of the India. We are the seventh largest country. We are having the standard meridian of Indian time 32.82 degree 30 east, passing through the Mirzapur of Uttar Pradesh. That is the standard time for the whole nation, whole country. Okay, if we look through this political map, starting from the western part of the Gujarat, part of our western point of the our country, and to the eastern point, it is 2,983 kilometers. It is 2,983 kilometer from west to east. And when we are talking about the north to south, it is 3,214 kilometers. The landmass has the central location between east and west of Asia and Indian Ocean routes which connect the entire country to the different part of the world. We are having the various passes through which from ancient time many peoples come through the India for the trade. We are very popular trade routes throughout the world, and this map shows the various trade maps which are connecting to different part of the world through the Indian Ocean. Sea routes and the land routes are there. Okay, now we will talk about the Indian states and their neighboring country. Look look to this Indian political map of states and union territories. Here we will go through the various states of India and their capital. Okay, Ladakh, Leh, Jammu Kashmir, Srinagar, Himachal Pradesh, capital is Simla, Punjab, Chandigarh, Haryana, Chandigarh, Delhi, Dehradun, capital of Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow is the capital. Rajasthan, Jaipur is the capital. Gujarat, Gandhinagar capital. Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal. Maharashtra, Mumbai. Daman Diu, Damam. Goa, Panji. Karnataka, Bangalore. Kerala, Trivandrum. Tamil Nadu, Chennai. Chennai is situated here. Andhra Pradesh, Amravati, Telangana, Hyderabad, Odisha, Bhubaneswar, Jharkhand, Ranchi, Bihar, Patna, West Bengal, Kolkata, Sikkim, Gangtok, Assam. These are the seven sisters of India, seven sister states. Shillong, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Aizawl, Manipur, Imphal, Nagaland, Kohima, Arunachal Pradesh, Itanagar. When we are talking about the neighbors of India, moving from north, Afghanistan, Pakistan, Nepal, China, Bhutan, moving in east, Myanmar, moving towards south, Sri Lanka, Maldives. These are the neighboring countries of our country. Now we are having the islands, group of islands, Andaman Nicobar Islands, situated in the Bay of Bengal, and Lakshadweep, situated in the Arabian Sea. The capital of Lakshadweep is Kavaratti, and the capital of Andaman Nicobar Islands is Port Blair. We learn about the neighboring countries: Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, and Maldives, Myanmar. Now, the southern part of India, known as Indra Point at the Kanyakumari, it was merged in the sea water, at the tsunami which hits the Indian coastline in 2004. Okay, we are having the before we are having before Independence Day. We are having two types of state: provincial state, which are ruled by the Britishers directly and viceroy system, and the states which are ruled indirectly for the Britishers by the Indians. These type of states are there. Come to this channel for more video and learn about various topics. Go and find out the answers of these questions. The location of India in terms of longitude and latitude, answer in comment box. In the map box, map of India, world map, show the neighboring countries of India and write their name. Answer in the comment box. Name the country which are larger than India, and area wise which is the smallest and which is the largest states of India. Answer all these questions in the comment box. Follow us for more video. Thank you for watching, and please appreciate, give your valuable feedback so we can improve and deliver you very knowledgeable and unique learning content. I am working for you. Please appreciate, like, share, and comment. Please subscribe. Thank you for watching your study channel, Pioneer Kids for Piyush. Thank you. Thank you very much.